Greetings to all. We are presenting our research paper on bibliometric analysis of psychological biases in Scopus database. Authors of the paper are Krishna Nambiar, research scholar in commerce, and Dr. Vineet K.M., research supervisor. In the early 1970s, psychologists Daniel Kahneman, Paul Slovic, and Amos Tversky developed the notion of psychological bias. They presented their results in the book Judgment Under Uncertainty, which was released in 1982. Specifically, they defined psychological bias as the propensity to make choices or perform actions in an irrational manner. Cognitive bias is another term for psychological prejudice. Examples include making selective use of facts in your subconscious mind or feeling pushed into making a choice by strong coworkers. In contrast to common sense and clear, measured judgment, psychological bias is the polar opposite of these qualities. It has the potential to result in lost opportunities and poor decision making. A bibliometric analysis will always give the most important documents, authors, sources, etc. on a particular research area. This paper attempts to present a concise report of the bibliometric analysis results on documents in the area of psychological biases as a keyword in Scopus database. Psychological biases being an active field of studies, recently 19,920 documents could be traced from the database for the period from 1899 to 2021. The most prominent authors and sources are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. Before going into Scopus data, we just look into the top authors in Google Scholar using publish or perish application. The application can produce up to 1000 results, and as you can see, the article by H.K. Baker and J.R. Nosinker is having maximum citations and also ranked 1 in Google Scholar. So, if you are researching in this particular area, you should not be missing this particular article. Considering the documents by year produced in Scopus database, we can see an increasing trend after 1970s and an enormous trend after 2000. 2020 marked the highest in the publication, and 2021 is also moving ahead. Considering the document by year by source, we can see that Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews, PLOS I, Journal of Affective Disorders, Psychological Bulletin, Journal of Personality and Social Psychology are the most important sources of research output in this particular area. Considering the documents by author, the number of documents is highest 59 for Moritz S, Kuipers P, Matthews A, Dovidio JF, etc. are following the list. And as you can see, the 10th person pool is also having 27 articles. Documents by affiliation gives you the most important institutions who are pursuing research in this particular area. King's College London, University College London, and University of Toronto. And these are the most important institutions happening research in this particular area. Followed by University of Oxford, University of Amsterdam, Yale University, University of California, Harvard University, Harvard Medical School, and University of Pennsylvania. Considering the documents by country, United States as always outwits other countries in this research also. Second place is going to United Kingdom, third to Canada. Australia, Germany, Netherlands, China, Italy, France and Spain are the other contributors. And as you can see, the contribution of Netherlands itself is 1000 articles. Considering the type of documents, we can see that 78.9% of the documents are research articles, followed by 14% of reviews and book chapters of 1.9% and 1.8% of conference papers. Considering the documents by subject area or domain, you can see that there is a huge attention in psychology, followed by medicine and also social sciences. Again, next is neuroscience. Individuals construct their own subjective reality based on their perception of the information they receive. It is possible that individuals' creation of reality rather than actual information would determine how they behave in the world. More research in this emerging field is expected in India also. Premier institutions in India have started contributing to this field via research projects and articles in this area. Thank you very much for your patient listening.